Hello, and welcome to this Gathered Nest Halloween 2018. We hope you enjoy our vlog today. Let's meet the family. We have Shelby. Shelby Angel. You look lovely. Beautiful, darling. Beautiful. Noah, come on, dear. Ooh, who are you? Oh, he's the Black Panther. I love it. Well, hello, lady. How are ya?
I'm good, y'all.
How you doing? You look like a mighty fine pilot. What's your name?
Amelia Earhart.
Amelia Earhart. What a beauty. Oh my, I am afraid of a ghost.
I'm not afraid of no ghost.
You ain't afraid of no ghost?
Yeah.
And we have Ballerina Rosie. All right, look out. Let Rosie come show us her costume. Can you show us your ballerina spins? Oh, yeah, her tights things keep coming undone. We're going to have to just cut those. They looked so cute in your picture, though. Oh, beautiful.
Can you go like this?
Daddy's preparing my puppies. CR caught him some Dalmatian puppies. Where's my other puppy? Where's my other puppy? Come here, Chiletta puppy.
Chichi.
Chichi.
Come get in my net.
Come on, Chi puppy.
You're so fuzzy.
Oh, so cute. All right. The Van Almonds have arrived. We've done our picture. They are the whole Peter Pan crew. Peter Pan. Captain Hook, there it is. Wendy. Where's Tinkerbell? And I can't remember, what's her name?
Tiger Lily.
Tiger Lily. All right, we're gonna have some delicious pizza.
No!
You don't want to take it off?
And then
Yeah, that's not
go trick-or-treating.
Put this down. Sure, you can't sit at a table.
Amelia, are you stealing food?
Trick-or-treaters are here.
You know that they don't think you're wearing a costume, right? They just think you're a weird old man. This is a creepy.
Stay put. Stay put.
No, you need to scare her.
No, we don't scare trick-or-treaters.
No.
We don't scare them. Watch the dogs.
Mommy might scare them.
Watch for the dogs. All right, we're taking the babies trick-or-treating. We're gonna hit a couple houses as a family. Hopefully not get hit by a car. And then we're dropping babies off at home, and we'll take the big kids and continue the fun.
All right, this is part 2 of Halloween evening. Involves all the kids coming in here, spreading out all their candy, and doing trades for their favorite candy with their friends.
The candy that you don't like put in your bucket.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
I'm really tired.
All right, gang, thanks for joining us for this Gather Nest Halloween 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed all of our costumes and kind of getting a tour of all the cool decorations here in our neighborhood. The kids certainly had a blast. Angie and I are tired. We are wrapping up this vlog. But for you guys out there in the internet, stay tuned because we might have a bonus video going up here in the next 24 hours. So turn on notifications, hit that bell. See you later, tweets.